Hello, here we have the new Cheap Shot 130 from Cold Steel. We're going to do a little unboxing for you and show you what comes inside, and we'll also assemble it and show you how to put it together. So, this is the first time I'm seeing it too, so you're going to be learning with me. We've got some rail lube that comes with it, that's very good. We've got the instruction manual, a foregrip, vertical foregrip. It includes a red dot scope, batteries as well, that's very good. Here we've got the main body in a very nice sort of olive drab colour. And below that you can see we've got the main arms. Where this is. We've got the main arms. These are rated at £130, and it comes with 6 bolts. I believe these are 15-inch.
That's correct.
15-inch bolts, and you can easily swap out the heads for different weights, or even add your own broad heads, which is very nice. And we have the AR style crane stock, which is adjustable, and also a 1-point sling, I believe. So I'll just show you how to put it all together. It's all held together with pins. So if I punch this through,
with a bolt, yeah. There you go.
The arms slide on top, and that is held in place nice and securely. And then the stock is also done the same way, with another punch pin. Let's push that further. There we go. Fully adjustable for length. We've got the foregrip as well, which attaches to your Picatinny rail just there. I'm just going to forego that for now. Operation's very simple. Pull these pins back to bring forward the ratchet, and then that engages the string, as you can see, which then helps draw back the bow completely. I think that's it.